Hello everyone, welcome to CS tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a mobile application with Python programming language. In the end of this project we can use our application in Android. Okay, first you need to install one IDE for using Python coding. In this case I'm use PyCharm and create a new project. My project name is app mobile. Select your project name first. Click on this dots and select setting for inputting kiwi model or kiwi package. Select your project here. Select Python interpreter and click on plus sign. Search here for the KB models, okay, and select install package. When this package installed is successfully, close this page. And now import something from KB, like from kb.app import app. First letter will be capital. Okay, and again import from kb.uax.box layout import box layout. Also from kv.uix.text input import text input. Okay, and again import the port one from kv.uix.button import button. Okay, this is completed. Now create your class. Okay, select name for your class. I will type calculator because I want to create calculator for mobile in Python programming language. Here pass app. Okay, and also use colon and press enter. Here define constructor, define build and parameter for itself. Okay, and here write your main method for calling or for applying for running your application. Okay, and it's double underscore name double underscore equal to double underscore main. Okay, also use colon app will be equal to my application name. Okay, now just app dot run app. Okay, so now here click on your project name, open an explorer. Here open your project directory. Here we need to add two images, one per icon and the second one per screen. Okay, for our application screen we need to one image. Here we need to import this icon for our application. Okay, from directory like self.icon equal to here select your image name calculator dot jpg and run program. Here we need a black screen, and here we need also name of our application, and also we have an icon for our application imported successfully. Now just define some variables like self.operators. We need to define operator for our application first slash using for division, and the second one star for multiplication, and the third one a plus sign for addition, and the fourth one subtract for subtraction. Okay, also we need to define two another variable. Self dot last was operator equal to none. Just leave this by default. Okay, we will use this in the later. Okay, again self dot last underscore button. Okay, name for this variable also equal to none. Now we need to create main layout. Okay, for our application, just write your layout name. I will select name for my layout main underscore layout equal to box layout. Here just write orientation equal to horizontal, not horizontal, sorry, vertical. Okay, and after this just write here what. Again define a screen for our application like self dot solution. We need to write text input here for screen. Okay, text input, and also we need to here to type properties for our text input or for our screen. First we need to define background color, background underscore color equal to black. Okay, also we need to define foreground color for our application screen like this one, put ground underscore color equal to white. Okay, again enter comma, and now select more properties like what, like font size, font underscore size equal to 55. Okay, more properties for this screen will be what. Okay, read only, no one can change text in the screen. Okay, read only equal to true. Also we need to define alignment, h align equal to right side. Okay, and also we need to define multi-line equal to false, because we don't want second line in our screen. Now just add this screen to main layout dot add widgets, and here just write self dot solution, name of our screen. Press enter. Now we need to create buttons. Okay, I will select name for my buttons like buttons equal to, here we need to use nested arrays like this. Okay, because we want to write here text for him buttons like 7, 8, 9. Here also we need to write one operator like slash using for division. Okay, comma, and copy this line and paste 3 times. Now just change text for this 4, 5 and 6 like this, and change this slash to star 1, 2, 3. Change this sign to plus, and change this one to point, the second one 0, and the third one will be capital C for clearing screen, and change this to minus. Okay, and now we need to write for loop for these buttons, okay, to get this text. Okay, and also we will get okay, from this button for loop raw and buttons. Okay, and right here one another layout like h underscore layout equal to box layout. Okay, and again for loop labels, name for labels per button. Okay, for buttons for loop label and raw. Here we need to define another button and buttons properties like I will select the name for this button equal to button, and select here properties for your button. First one, text for button equal to label like this, and again font size per button equal to 35, and background color for this button will be equal to gray. Background underscore color equal to gray. And now just select position hint for your buttons like pause underscore hint equal to, here we need to use a dictionary like center underscore x colon 0.5. Again for y, center underscore y equal to 0.5. Okay, now we will bind this button like this button dot bind and here write an underscore press. Okay, we will pass here one function like we will define this function in the later on underscore press. Okay, just add here self dot and underscore press. We will define function by name on press and the later. Okay, now just add this button to edge layout like this. Just right button and add edge layout to main layout. Main layout dot add widgets edge layout. Okay, here we need some buttons like equal button. Okay, now we will create equal button. Just move back one step like this and right here your name for buttons like I will select equal button equal to button, and also I want to copy properties from this button from the previous one. Copy these properties and paste here. Just change the text from label to equal sign. Okay, okay, now just write here equal button dot point again on press on underscore press equal to another function on underscore solution. We will create another function by name on underscore solution self dot on underscore solution. Okay, now just press enter and add this equal button to main layout dot add widget right here equal button. Okay, now return main layout. Okay, now we want to define two variables, two functions, sorry, by name on press and on solution. Okay, like definition of like this one on press on and underscore press, and this function need for two parameters, first one self and the second one instance. Okay, and here just write one variable like current equal to self dot solution dot text. Okay, again button text, another variable by name button underscore text equal to instance dot text. Okay, now come down. If use if statement like if current variable and sorry if button text equal to C. In this case we will return screen for none. Okay, like self dot solution dot text equal to null. Okay, like this. When someone type C, screen will be clear. Okay, and the else statement use again if current variable and also last was operator. We defined this variable in the start of video. Last was operator. Okay, and button text and self dot operators. If there was some operator or okay, in this case just return none. And elep also we want to use like current operator equal to null. Okay, if someone just pressed some operator as a first operator, in this case also return none. Okay, and now we need to use else part again for this, and if the first two condition was false, in this case we will use the else part like Next text will be equal to current plus button text. Self dot solution dot text will be equal to new text. Okay, and also we need to write self dot last button equal to button text. Okay, also self dot last was operator equal to self dot last button and self dot operators. Okay, like this. Now this function completed, and also we need to define another function by name on underscore solution like this, and also this need two parameters like self and instance. Okay, now text variable, define one variable by name text equal to self dot solution dot text. Again, if this was true, like if text colon, in this case self solution solution will be equal to self string evolve, and here self dot solution dot text. Okay, we're creating this function for equal sign, like again self dot solution dot text equal to solution. Okay, now just this function also completed. Just run your program in this time. Okay, like right click run main method, like main function. Okay, here we have calculator every button working like this. Okay, and also point working, C working, and also division working like this, also multiplication working, division, addition, subtraction, every button working in this calculator in this case. Okay, also we have screen, and no one can change something in screen. Okay, here we cannot add two operators at the same time, or we cannot add operators as first text. Okay, like this, because we defined here two functions for this. Okay, and we selected condition for every time. Okay friends, finally this application completed. Now we want to run this application in our mobile. Okay, I will leave this for use to convert this Python files. Okay, but also I want to show to you, right in Google Colapse, and open this page and run this all steps, and you will be able to convert your application